All right, so cleaners have finished cleaning our suite, and I was just going to do a quick quality control of the property and take you along. They were here for about 5 days and our cleaner just finished, so I was going to take you along to QC and see what your thoughts are. So in each one of our suites, we do have the Schlag Encos that we have. These are Wi-Fi enabled. And what I love about them the most is that they actually have the keyhole here, just in case it dies, the battery in the middle of winter or anything. We have a physical key that we can still use, where we have a backup lockbox with the key in emergencies if we need to use them. Okay, so I'm just walking into the suite now and just turning on all the lights. It's quite dark down here. So just a few things. We do try to keep at least 1 or 2 lights on so I'll bring that up to our team as well, because we do like to not come into complete darkness of it. Some say it's wasteful, but we have like about a 80 to 95% occupancy. So lights on when you arrive, even just 1 or 2, so you know when you're walking in, is not such a bad thing. So I'm gonna flip around the camera here. We can just take a quick look together. So at high level, this looks very good and very clean here. And we just recently refreshed this basement suite. I would say about 6 months ago. We did some really incredible improvements, got a huge TV on there. We actually built in that electric fireplace, which is a really, really big value add. And there's just a couple things I'll check on just to make sure. But we want to make sure the remotes are here. We want to make sure just with all of our checklist items that we have everything and that we're not missing. Obviously that is cleaned, it's vacuumed, it's mopped, dusted down, and that all the lights are working. And then really from there, it's just making sure the checklist items are there and that we have documentation as well prior to anyone staying, so that we can also have the documentation in case anything comes up. So just a little tip, something we absolutely love is to have king beds in any of our properties, even if they're 1 bed, 1 bath suites. We always like to do as many king beds as we can. It could be just personal preference, but I love king beds and most guests love king beds, but this refresh looks absolutely amazing down here. I'll just show you quickly here. We did a beautiful wall feature all the way through here, and we have a king bed with these hanging lights. It's very warm and cozy down here. And something we also did in this refresh too is we have TVs in the bedrooms too, which we added, which was a big value add too. So here's the second bedroom that is set up absolutely beautiful. Looks really good. One thing we do note is we do always have white sheets. I'll always check for number 1, for hairs, for any stains prior to anyone actually staying. So this is perfect. We do have 2 towels, like full bath towels, and we do face cloths and hand towels as well. And then we check under beds as well. So we make sure we take a picture and a video under the beds. Vacuums all look clean, very good, no stains or anything like that. Walls are in perfect condition, no damages or scratches. And then we just double check to make sure just all items are taken out. Garbages have been removed and everything looks perfect before the next guest arrives. So finally here, I'm just heading to the washroom, just double checking everything. So biggest thing here is we want to make sure we have at least 2 backup toilet paper rolls, toilet paper roll here, Kleenex. Obviously the toilet is working as well. We actually do flush it. I know it's weird, but we want to make sure that it's in working condition. There wasn't any clogs prior. Garbage is taken out, looks to be in really good condition, and mirror is all clean, light bulbs. And we have a bath mat and bath towel, and the bath looks sparkling clean with supplies out for guests as well. And I would say this is pretty much, yeah, this is all wiped down, everything on here. So this is pretty much almost 100% clean, I would say, to it. We also provide laundry. So there is the laundry soap. And then we have this on here, and then something just as simple as making sure that we have the dryer vent. See, this is the one thing I would say in the QCs, we just want to remove the dryer vent fluff that they had. So that's one thing I'll be bringing up to the team. Other than that, this is 100% of a clean pretty much. So we just finished reviewing the house. The guest suite looks amazing. No stains on anything. They vacuumed, they mop. They made sure coffee filters were out, all trash was out. I looked inside of all of the appliances, and I take photos and videos of everything just as an exceptional measure above and beyond what I'm quality controlling, so I can let our cleaning team know. But also, if the guest has any issues, I have proof on my side saying, hey, you know, I personally did inspect it and this is what it looks like. So let me know your thoughts in the comment. Do you have a quality control manager? Do you QC your own properties? And what do you commonly run into?